Creating a Readme file for a GitHub repository is essential for providing information about your project, helping others understand and use it. Here's a concise guide. File name. Create a new file named readme.md in your repository. Markdown format allows for easy text and formatting. Title. Start with a clear, concise title at the top, typically in a larger font and bold. Project description. Give a brief overview of your project, including its purpose and key features. This helps visitors understand what your project does. Table of contents. For longer readmes, consider adding the table of contents with links to different sections. Installation. Explain how to install or set up your project. Include dependencies, environment variables, or other necessary instructions. Usage. Describe how to use your project. Provide code examples and usage scenarios to make it user-friendly. Contributing. Explain how others can contribute to your project, including guidelines for issues, pull requests, and code style. License. Specify the license under which your project is distributed. Choose an open source license like MIT, Apache, or GNU to define usage terms. Credits. Give credit to contributors, libraries, or resources that inspired or were used in your project. Testing. Share information on how to test your project and include any automated testing procedures. Acknowledgements. Express gratitude to individuals or organizations that supported your project. Contact information. Provide a way for users to contact you with questions or feedback, such as an email or link to your social media. Badges. You can add badges like a license badge or build status to provide more context about your project status. Preview. Before committing, preview your README to ensure proper formatting. GitHub renders markdown files so you can see how it will appear to users. Commit and push. Save your changes, commit them to your repository, and push the README file to GitHub.